Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to crochet this very cute hoop earring. So what you'll need is you'll need 1.75 millimeters crochet hook. Then you'll need a hoop earring like this, and then you'll also need you can use a thin yarn or any yarn that you'd like, but I would recommend a thin yarn. Okay, so let's get started like that. Okay, and then we'll start making the foundational chain. So what we'll do is just slip stitch in the make a chain 1 in the first chain, and then I'll continue to make single crochets. So I'll do single crochet, and then again in the next I'll continue and do single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, like that, and I'll continue making single crochets all the way around. Like that. So this is how it looks like. So continue making single crochets until we have the whole loop covered until here. Okay, so after you're done that, as you can see, I've left just a little bit of space at both ends. So that's how I want it to look like. So at the end, I'll make a chain 1 and turn. Okay, and then after that, starting here at the very beginning chain, I'll do a single crochet, and then in the next space also I'll do a single crochet, then single crochet, single crochet, and we'll do single crochets in each chain of the foundational row, as you can see. So in each space I'll continue and do single crochet. Okay, so continue doing single crochets in each space all the way round. Okay, so after I get here at the end, I'm going to do a chain 10. So I'll do chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and then I'll turn. And then here in the next chain, not the first one, so you'll skip the first space. Then in the second one here, we'll do a single crochet, and then we'll continue and do a chain 10 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then in the next space over here in the previous single crochet, we'll do a single crochet, and then we'll do again a chain 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then here we'll do a single crochet. So single crochet. Okay, so we'll continue doing that all the way to the end. So chain 10, then do single crochet, then again chain 10, single crochet, and that's how I ended up with these loops all the way to the end. Okay, so let's do that and then we'll finish up together. Okay, so now when you get to the end, I'm just going to slip stitch here in the last chain over here, and then again do a chain 1 and cut off the yarn like that. And then I like to separate my yarn like that just to finish off. I'll come anywhere around here and take just some strands of yarn and pull it through like that and tie it off. And cut off the yarn. Then there we have it. So guys, as you can see, we have our earrings here, so pretty and so quick. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comments below and check out my other videos also. Until next time, bye.